Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful handmade crochet band. It's easy and fun, perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Materials needed: yarn, crochet hook, scissors, tape measure, yarn needle. Make a slip knot. Start by making a slip knot. Hold the yarn, make a loop, and pull the yarn through the loop. Tighten it on your hook. Chain stitches. Make a chain of about 30 stitches or as long as you want your band to be. Hold the yarn with your left hand and use the hook to pull the yarn through the loop. Single crochet. Insert the hook into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops on the hook. Repeat this in each chain across. Turn your work. When you reach the end, turn your work around. Chain one stitch, then single crochet in each stitch across the row. Repeat rows. Keep repeating the single crochet rows until your band is as wide as you want. This could be about 4 to 6 rows. Finishing off. Once you have happy with the width, cut the yarn leaving a long tail. Pull the yarn through the last loop to secure it. Waves in end. Use the yarn needle to weave in any loose ends. This makes your band look neat and tidy. Now your beautiful crochet band is ready to wear. You can also gift it to someone special. I hope you enjoyed making this crochet band with me. Practice makes perfect. Don't forget to subscribe your channel. Thanks for watching.